Hi, it's John from Thunderbolt Locks. We have a Nissan NV 2500. We want to show you some vulnerabilities with thieves breaking into this. I'm with Jim, one of our lead technicians, and we're just going to go over what a thief can do. Jimmy, let's show them what the thief did to this plumber's van. So on this door, what they did is they broke out the handle. They were able to reach in, and what is it that they're pushing inside there?
I believe it's just the lock-unlock sensor for the key cylinder. So
once they get their finger in there and they press this, they basically can unlock all the doors.
Yeah.
All the doors on this Nissan. So we have our lock conversion relays that'll prevent somebody from breaking this window, opening the door, reaching in and pressing unlock. But if they do this to your Nissan, what you're going to do is Jimmy came up with a way to prevent that, which is cutting is it the lock wire?
it's the unlock side of the wire that connects to the key cylinder in each door. There'd be the driver's door, the side sliding door, and then the rear swing door. So on the rear door of the Nissan NV 2500, it has a key cylinder, and with that key cylinder, there's an electronic component to it which will allow someone, if they drilled it out, to unlock the door. The wire to cut is right inside this boot in here. And in this particular vehicle, it's this small yellow wire. Now, there's two yellows in there, but the smaller one, and you can always test it, it should have voltage on it, and when you test it and you hit the unlock, it'll throw to ground for just a split second. Once you've confirmed that that's the correct wire, cut that wire, tape it up, and then just reinstall it. And now that key cylinder will no longer unlock with the key. It will still lock, but not unlock.
And then can you show them the Thunderbolt locks that you're now putting in this to prevent the theft from happening again?
So the deadbolts mounted on the side right here, and they fire into the opposing door.
And those are going to be in side sliding door and the...
Yes, side slide, rear door, and possibly the front doors depending on what the customer wants. So the side sliding door, it's a little bit different. You're gonna take the wire right at the contact switch, the factory contact switch. There's two Phillips screws. You remove those two screws. This is gonna pop out. Again, there's two yellow wires in there. It's the small yellow one in the corner, which correlates to this bottom left pin. And that's your unlock. So what you're gonna do is cut that wire, separate it, tape it all back up, slide it back in. Again, it just prevents the key cylinder from being able to unlock all the doors. Okay, so at the driver's door key cylinder, you're gonna go right to the lower kick panel. There's a connector. It comes down right here. It's in here. Again, your small yellow wire is right in the middle there. And you just cut that just like the rest.
All right, there you go. So there you have it. That's how you prevent a thief from easily breaking in either your front window, pressing unlock to unlock the cargo area, or they knock out that door handle and press the lock cylinder to easily unlock the cargo area. If you have any questions, contact us at Thunderbolt Locks.